Holy cow.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I have a heavy duty air compressor from Tozalazz. Let's open it up. Instructions and nozzles for different valves. You could also use them to pump up your blow-up toys for your pool or your footballs, basketballs, air products, and different nozzles for your valves. This is powered by 12-volt DC. You connect the negative and positive alligator clips to your vehicle battery. It also includes the hose extension for the valve and a long hose that's also metered with a gauge. We'll just connect the adapter onto the hose, and the hose connects to your standard 1/2-inch valve. So if you're out off-roading in your 4x4, but you need to add a little bit more air into your tires, you're far away from a service station for sure. 11.65 CFMs? That's enough to run power tools. I think my right rear tire is a little low. Let's go check it out. So you just attach your negative to your negative. And your positive to your positive. There's enough hose to take you all the way to the rear wheel if you want. Looks like this tire's a little low. Let's connect it and see if it gives you the reading of how much PSI is in this tire. It's showing about 22 PSI. Let's use a gauge. See how accurate that is. And it's showing 22, 23. So it's pretty accurate. So here we go. There's the Tozalazz 4x4 Offroad, 11.65 CFMs. As you can see, there's two motors on it, and there's an on and off switch. Just turn it on. The gauge is showing like 60. Okay, I just turned it off just so we can see what the what it is, and it looks like it's 40. Wow, right on the nose, 35. Perfect. So how about it, guys? How long did it take us to inflate that tire from 25 to 35? 5 seconds? Really awesome to have because it inflates your tires really quickly when you need it, obviously with a lot of power. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want one. Go check it out. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.